Hot again. Well, we have some cloud cover bringing us some shade, but it's not enough to bring us some of those showers. Yeah, that would have made a much bigger difference. We're at 14% humidity, which means, hey, it's dry out there, so it doesn't feel as warm. Variable winds, only 7 miles an hour, but we have the house divided. And I say that because I got fire weather watch in effect for our westernmost counties. This goes into effect tomorrow morning and lasts throughout the evening, while our more eastern counties are going to be under the risk for some severe weather come tomorrow. Right now, any kind of weather, mainly some isolated thunderstorms and more so some scattered showers, they're going to stay south of Interstate 10. Sanderson getting a nice little bit of light rain. The cell actually did hit non-severe status, but special weather statement for strong winds and some small hail. It has since expired, so we don't need to worry about that. Most of this stuff is going to be very unimpactful anyway. The severe risk for today, it's well to our north, very similar to what we saw this time yesterday, so I'm not too concerned about that. Overnight tonight, a little bit of cloud cover, but overall very warm temperatures, about 12 degrees above average, give or take. 13 degrees. I can't do the math in my head. Nonetheless, okay, it's going to be pretty hot tonight, and it's going to be hot again tomorrow, because despite the fact we have a weather system coming through, it's not a cold front. It's a dry line, so that's why we got the divided areas. Dry air to the west, wet air to the east. So medium iced coffee, because it's still going to be in those upper 80s and lower 90s. Any storm development later tonight, most of it's just going to be well out to our east. By tomorrow morning, relatively clear skies to start off the day, not bad at all. By the afternoon, the models yesterday were being a little bit more ambitious, showing a couple of those pop-up showers and thunderstorms across the Permian Basin, Midland, Odessa, Big Spring. Now, not so much. They look to form south of us and then expand once it hits the Concho Valley and even much of the Big Country. That's when it starts to expand a little bit more and have much stronger capabilities. So the severe risk is going to be farther out there as a result. Your Thursday, though, actually stays nice and clear. So here's that severe risk for tomorrow. San Angelo, Abilene, Eastland, Brady, even Ozona up to that level 2 slight risk, mainly for the wind and the hail threat. The tornado threat is going to be farther to the north. So even if we get anything, it's not going to be too bad. All right, can we get some decent rainfall? Not really, no. No, unfortunately, just maybe some trace amounts with the exception of Big Lake and Ozona. All right. Do you want some cooler temperatures? I got them for you. We just got to wait a little bit. We got a cold front coming in. It's going to bring us some Friday night storms into early Saturday morning. Saturday, windy from the front. We drop temperatures down into the 60s. A little chilly for Easter, but overall, that's probably the closest to normal we could possibly get. Jolena?
Those temperatures look good, too. Coming up next, courtroom drama.